Hello, friends. This is Bhushan Nimlekar from the Isar Connect reporting from Pitikapuram, and this is the Janmasthan of Sripad Sri Vallabha, the first Datta Avatar. And I have the privilege to be with Lokesh ji, who would tell us exactly the importance of this place. Lokesh ji, could you please speak about it?
Okay. Hello everyone. And coming to the Lord Dattatreya, we know about in this world, but how Lord Dattatreya originated and what are the avatars of Dattatreya. And coming to how Lord Dattatreya originated, the Lord Dattatreya is the combination of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Maheshwara. And later, Dattatreya is in the Kali Yuga. He has come in the avatars like five avatars. First one is Sripada Sri Vallabha, and second one is Narasimha Saraswati, and third one is Swami Samartha, and fourth one is Manikya Prabhu, and the fifth one is Shirdi Sai Baba. And coming to the first avatar, Sripada Sri Vallabha, he was born in 1320 in Pitapuram. Nowadays we called it as Pitapuram. In olden days we used to call it as Pitikapuram, and he has lived here for 16 years, and then he has gone for the countries that Desayatna we will say, and later he has gone to Korvapuram near in Maharashtra near Kulbarga, and he has settled there, and later after from the born 30 years he has Samapti, Avatari Samapti. The Sripada Vallabha Avatar Samapti has done, and later he Dattatreya second avatar is Sri Nrsimha Saraswati, and he has born in Karanja in Maharashtra, and Ganugapuram, Nrsimhavadi. These are the places, the ashramas of the Nrsimha Saraswati. Later he came to Kadalivanam, that is near Sri Sailam. The river is the beside of Sri Sailam, and this beside of the river there is a place called Kadalivanam. He has done his avatar Samapti there, and later the third avatar is Swami Samartha Akkalkot Maharaj. We call him as Akkalkot Maharaj also. And he has born there, and the avatar Samapti is also done in the same place. And the fourth is the Manikya Prabhu, Manikya Nagar we will call. He is located, the Manikya Prabhu's temple is located there, and he has born there, and the avatar Samapti is also done there. And later fifth avatar is Shirdi Sai Baba. We cannot say the place, the born of Shirdi Sai Baba. And later the Samadhi, the Samapti of Shirdi Sai Baba is done in Shirdi, and we can see that all the people coming to know about Swami Samartha, Manikya Prabhu, and Shirdi Sai Baba, and Nrsimha Saraswati also, but only some amount of people, small amount of people coming to know about Sripada Sri Vallabha. And Sripada Sri Vallabha as Charitra, we have that Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamrita. It says the story, the life story of Sripada Sri Vallabha. Coming to that, if we read Sripada Sri Vallabha Charitamrita, we will get the wishes of the all wishes of ours will be fulfilled, and later blessings of Sripada Sri Vallabha we will receive. And we have coming to know the importance that how we should live in your life, and how the dharma, what is dharma and what is adharma. And the Sripad Charitamrita is the best example for present world. And if you come to Pitapuram and the Sripada Sri Vallabha temple, and if you do a meditation for 10 minutes, you can get an experience of peaceful and some vibrations you will be getting. And nowadays people are working only for money, and they are working from Monday to Friday on full pressures. And
The younger generation you're talking
yes,
about.
yes, the younger generation. And on Saturday and Sunday they are relaxing just by going to movies, malls, and something, etc. So I suggest everyone from there should do work, because for their life, going on life, they should do work. They should, nowadays we require money, but I request everyone, and I suggest everyone to work from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday one day you enjoy with movies, and you go with your family outside trips, and later on one day in weekends you go to one temple, and any temple nearby your house or any holy place, and just you go there and you prefer 1 or 2 hours there, and you read some books, religious books, or some philosophies or something else, and you can do meditation or something within half an hour, or within 10 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. That is your wish, and then you will be getting peaceful and relaxation mode, because from Monday to Friday you will be on big pressure.
Stress.
But you think that by relaxing, for relaxing we can go to movies and something else. But I suggest to go to the temples or some holy places or something else to get peaceful and relaxation mode.
Very good. So it's a very nice and elaborate way where Lokesh ji told us it's a life balance between it's a work life balance as well as spiritual balance. So it's a the youth should understand this and take this concrete step. Visit Pithapur and take the blessings of Shripad Shri Vallabha. Thank you very much, Lokesh ji, for your time. God bless you. Shripad Rajam Saranam Prapadye.